I don't know who needs to hear this, but Dollar Tree is absolutely on fire this month. These are the 12 June finds I genuinely think are worth grabbing before they're gone. First up are these lemon-themed dishes, and they're giving me those Mediterranean summer vibes in the very best way. I especially love these glass tumblers, the lemon mugs, and this adorable lemon-shaped pot holder, which I thought was super cute. These would be fantastic for a summer tablescape or your next backyard party. The blue floral dinnerware is another favorite of mine this month. It's such a timeless pattern, and the plates look so much more expensive than they are. They also have some matching bowls, which I think are gorgeous. There's some matching towels, which I don't like quite as much, but the bowls, the mugs, and the plates are gorgeous. Now, if you've been wanting to grow strawberries or herbs this summer, don't skip these triple planter pots. I used these last year and stacked mine onto a metal stake. I cut openings in the bottom of each planter and I put them on the stake. I filled each with some potting soil, some strawberry plants from Walmart, and they turned out so cute and they worked really well. Next, these fruit-shaped party cups are just super fun. I love especially the pineapple one and the raspberry. They're my favorites, and they'd be perfect for a summer birthday party or a barbecue this season. Now, over in the craft aisle, I also spotted this new variety pack of craft moss. It would be perfect for filling up bowls, making wreaths, or adding some texture to the DIY projects. At my Dollar Tree, I haven't seen this variety pack yet, and I love all the texture in here. And while you're in this section, grab the dried florals too. I especially like this baby's breath. It looks beautiful, and you would easily pay 3 times as much somewhere else. I think this is perfect for arrangements, wreaths, or even tied onto a gift as a gift topper. I was also pleasantly surprised by these wooden pillar candle holders. They're solid, they're substantial, they're made of wood, and they come in black or white. I think they're beautiful as is, but they'd also be really easy to paint with spray paint or acrylics to match your decor perfectly. Next, in the organization aisle, I found these gorgeous blue floral storage bins. I thought the pattern was so gorgeous and classic, and they look beautiful in a pantry, linen closet, or even on open shelving. We have this new $5 section in my Dollar Tree, and these oversized textured glass jars were so pretty. I couldn't believe they were only $5. They'd be perfect for pantry storage or styled on a kitchen countertop. They'd also make a great container for a gift. Right beside them was this drink dispenser, also in the $5 section. It's a really great size for lemonade, iced tea, or infused water at your next summer gathering. I also really love these blue chargers in the tableware and glassware section. The texture is gorgeous, and if you pair them with that blue floral dinnerware that I love, it would make such an expensive looking tablescape for hardly any money at all. My favorite find of this whole trip were these daisy glass cups. I think they might even be my favorite find of the whole month. They have such an anthropology look for a tiny fraction of the price. They're adorable for summer entertaining, or you could simply fill them up with little treats and gift one to a friend. Let me know which of these finds you would grab first in the comments, and make sure to follow along for more budget-friendly home finds.